10 years old and I live in this van. It's my home. I've been in it for years. I bought it like 3 years ago. It's really cool. I set up this bed and I just go in here to make bracelets. And this is my bag. I put all my clothes in here and I basically live by myself. And I drive and no one really is with me. No one really sits with me, and I carve in my van, and that's pretty much it. I was just sick and tired of the school life, doing work every day. I just needed to find freedom. It was so boring. All I do is school. That's it. I'm a model, and that's how I made my money to buy this van. This is the only one I have yet. Just yet. I am gonna get way, way more. And I want to be a rapper. Modeling's just for right now. This is my van, and it's a 2011 Ford Transit Connect. Hey, what's up, guys? This is my van, and this is where I sleep. This is the bag. This is my journal. I wrote a lot of stuff in here since like 3 years ago, and I just wrote something in there today, actually. And yeah, and this is where I keep some of my clothes. I keep them in here and right here. This is my bracelet making thing, and these are my pictures, and these are my what's it called? Magnets. These are my magnets from all the places that I went. I made this van pretty simple. Mini living. I just put the reflectors on the window. Just for something. Something I don't know about. I just bought this van. I just bought it 3 years ago. Still know nothing about it. But it's fine. It's Gucci, man. So I blacked out all the windows so people can't see me sleeping inside. That would be pretty weird. They would just like, face would be right there staring at me. I don't want to let that happen. So here we go into the driver's seat. This is where my driving is. I have all my stuff in here. All right, you guys have got the keys. Put them in here. Look at the wheels. The wheels are moving.
So how's it feel to be the world's youngest van lifer?
Pretty good. Feels nice. First kid that could just be mosquito. First kid that could just be by themselves in a van to themselves. It's cool. I'm not need to buckle in. I'm gonna go for a ride. Let's do this. Vroom, 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 vroom. I eat your mom. I'm the youngest flexer in the world. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah. Now we're here. I eat sushi. I eat sushi and raisin bread. That's good. It's very delicious. Oh, my name's Eden, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on the road. Goodbye.